This is logic teacher. Now question number 5 from exercise 12.2. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Okay, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter. Okay, radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of this an arc, okay, which subtends an angle with the center how much degree? That is 60 degree, right? 60 degree. Okay, find first, the first one is the length of the arc. The length of arc. What is the length of arc? This one, from this point to this point, from this point to this point, the length of the arc. How can we find that? That is, arc is in the circumference, right? So we have to use circumference formula for this. For 360 degree, this is 60 degree. So the formula is 360 degree theta. This is the theta into 2 pi r, not pi r square, 2 pi r. So here this is 60 degree. This divided by 360 degree into 2 into we have to use, it is not mentioned, you should use 3.14 for pi. So we have to use 22 by 7 into radius is 21, right? Now we can do the calculation. 7 and 3 7s are 21. Here 0 0 cancelled, 166, 6 6s are 36. So again we can cancel it down. By 2 it is 3, by 3 this one. Okay, so the length of the arc is 22 centimeter. This is equal to 22 centimeter, right? Okay, what's the next one? Next one is we have to find, let me read the question. Area of the sector formed by the arc. Area of the sector formed by the arc. Area of sector formed by the arc. Okay, which is the arc? This is the arc, and the area formed is this area. So this is the minor sector, right? Minor area of minor sector formula is 360 degree theta into area formula is pi r squared, right? So this theta is 60 degree, right? 60 degree by 360 degree into pi value is 22 by 7 into r is 21. So 21 into 21. Okay. Okay friends, now we'll do the calculation. 160 is 60, 6 60s are 360, right? 7, we have 3 7s in 21. Again you can cut down 3 and 6. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. Again you can cut this and 22. Here it is 11. So the answer is 21 into 11. So this will be equal to 231 centimeter squared. This is area, right? This also we found out. 21 into 11, that is 21. 120 into 21, 121 is 21, 132. So 231 centimeter square. The third one, what's the third one? The third one is area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. What do you mean by area of the sector formed by the corresponding arc? That is, this is the chord, right? Corresponding chord. So sorry, this is the corresponding chord. The area of the segment formed by the chord is this one. Okay, now we know that this is we can get from the formula the area of sector minus area of triangle. Okay, because in this thing, this circle, the corresponding chord is this one, right? The area formed by the corresponding chord is this one. How can we calculate this area? By finding this total area and subtracting this area. From the total area, if you subtract the area of the triangle, you will get this thing, right? Okay, what's the formula for area of sector? Area of sector already we found, right? Area of sector formed by the arc is 231 centimeter square. So this is equal to 231 minus, what is area of triangle? Area of triangle is actually, whenever you see the angle of 60 degree here, this will be the equilateral triangle. Why? We know that the property of triangle is sum of the three angles. If you write it as OAB, the angle O plus angle A plus angle B will be equal to 180, right? Sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We know that angle A is 60 degree, right? So 60 plus A plus B is equal to 180. So A plus B would be 120. 180 minus 60, 120, right? So these two sides are equal, right? 21 centimeter. If the two sides are equal in a triangle, two sides are equal, the opposite angles are equal. This is equal, this A, triangle A and B also equal. So if you take, this is also A, 2A is equal to 120, hence angle A equal to 60. 120 by 2 is 60. A is equal to B, no? So angle B is also 60 degree, right? So this is an equilateral triangle. For an equilateral triangle, we should use the formula root 3 by 4 A squared. This is the formula. For a right angle triangle, we used half into BH, right? Base into height. For equilateral triangle, we should use root 3 by 4 A squared. This is 231 minus root 3. What is A? A is the side of the triangle. A is the side of the triangle. Side is 21 centimeter, 21 centimeter and 21 centimeter, right? Okay. So A is 21 into 21 divided by 4, right? What is 21 into 21? 21 into 21 is 21, 42, so 441, right? Then this will be equal to 231 minus 441 root 3 divided by 4. உங்கள் புக்கில் இவ்வளோதான் ஆன்சர், இதுதான் ஆன்சராக கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. This is centimeter squared, which is formed by the chord area, the value of area of this one is 231 minus 441 root 3 by 4. In case உங்ககிட்ட கொஷினில் இதையும் கால்குலேட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருந்தா ரூட் 3 வேல்யூ 1.73 அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருந்தா you have to put 1.73 and you have to multiply that by 441 and you should divide that by 4 and you should subtract the value from 231 to get the answer. Okay guys, okay. Then sixth sum we will see in the next video. Thank you.